Real talk, bakit nga ba ang hirap mag-ipon? Sweldo pa lang, ubos na. Parang dumadaan lang sa kamay mo, di ba? Pero bakit ganon? Is it really about how much you earn? Or how you handle what you have? Sometimes, it's not about income, but our spending habits, impulsive buys, YOLO moments, or simply not having a clear plan. Kaya ang resulta, sahod ngayon, luhaan bukas. But don't worry, hindi ka nag-iisa. Lahat tayo dumadaan dyan. What matters is deciding to change. Start small, kahit simpleng 10% rule like set aside 10% every payday. Before you knew it, may ipon ka na. Remember, hindi kailangan biglaan. Consistency over amount. Little by little, it adds up. Are you ready to make this month different? Let's conquer that saving struggle one step at a time. Follow me for more tips.